Donco Double Effect Energy Saving Central Air Conditioner. In response to the high temperature problem in the production workshop, excessive dust problem, uncomfortable working environment problem, rising electricity cost, and other problems in many enterprises, Donco Technology has launched a double effect energy saving and dust-proof central air conditioner. Air conditioning can solve the problems encountered in printing workshops, high-temperature dust workshops, and textile workshops. Donco Air Conditioning Integrated Duct. Air supply up to 100 meters. Air supply 20,000 cubic. Can completely cover the entire space of the factory. Donco can improve the problem of limited cooling distance and uneven temperature in the workshop of traditional air conditioners. Donco Air conditioners can be set up at fixed points according to the needs of independent air conditioning trends, which can make the working environment more comfortable. In the fixed position of the machine setup, independent feeding trend. In the case of meeting the temperature needs of the position, more energy saving. Compared with traditional air conditioners, which are inconvenient to install in the place where they are needed, Donco air conditioners do not waste space at all and save more space. To achieve the same cooling effect, traditional air conditioners need to be placed in many units, which consume a lot of power, and the air supply is uneven. Therefore, the machine location usually has poor cooling effect. Donco air conditioner achieves the same cooling effect, consumes very little power, and can supply air to all corners of the factory. The exclusive evaporative condenser of Donco air conditioning efficiently reduces the temperature. The operating power of the compressor is very small, so it consumes less power. Inside the outdoor unit of the air conditioner, a spraying device is installed above the condenser, which generates steam that can quickly remove heat, thus ensuring efficient cooling efficiency. The wet curtain of the inner unit of the air conditioner is low-temperature condensed water to cool the passing air. The inner unit and the outer unit together achieve double effect energy saving. Donco air conditioner has passed the national test, and the cooling performance coefficient ER can reach 5.15. To achieve the same cooling capacity, the power consumption of traditional air-cooled cabinets is as high as 46 kW. Donco air conditioner consumes only 23 kW, saving up to 50% of electricity. It can not only meet the cooling needs of enterprises, but also have the cost of electricity immediately. Many workshops have dust problems, which affect the working environment and product production. Traditional air conditioners will reduce cooling efficiency due to dust blockage. This air conditioning system has 3 layers of filtration, which can solve the problem of dust in the workshop. Filtration by wet curtain can efficiently remove dust and workshop odor. After the dust in the air passes through the honeycomb, it will be absorbed on the water film and carried to the sink below to settle. In response to the odor in the workshop, Donco has launched plasma purification air conditioners to efficiently remove odor, sterilize and disinfect, and degrade harmful substances. For the textile workshop, Donco developed a new air conditioner to remove wool and purify air conditioners, to avoid the problem of a large number of wool clogging the return air of air conditioners. In the next 10 years, hot weather will become more frequent. If there is a high temperature problem in your enterprise workshop, choose Donco to keep the workshop at a constant temperature, making the machine more efficient and healthy, and running longer. A more comfortable working environment makes teamwork more efficient. If your corporate workshop has been plagued by dust and odor, choose Donco to make breathing in the workshop healthier and more comfortable. If you care about the cost of electricity for your enterprise, choose Donco.